Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you about to manage contract expiration dates and automatically set up alerts in Excel. You can follow these steps.
Create a table in Excel with the following columns. Step 1. Set up your data. Create a table in Excel with the following columns. Contract expiration date. Example 29/6/2028. Alert message. This will be generated automatically. Step 2. Input expiration date. Ensure your expiration dates are in a date format. You can enter these directly into the column or pull them from other data sources. Step 3. Conditional formatting. Optional. You can use conditional formatting to color code contracts based on how close they are to expiration. Select the cells containing your expiration dates. Go to the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting, New Rule, Format cells that contain. Use a formula like for contracts expiring in the next 30 days. Step 4. Create the alert message. Use an Excel formula to automatically create an alert message based on the expiration date. Step 5. Set alerts with conditional formatting. You can also highlight the alert message if the contract is expiring soon. Select the alert message column E. Go to Home, Conditional Formatting. Choose Format only cells that contain, and select Cell Value equals Contract expires in less than 30 days or Contract expired.